important things to note from the visiting of the oldest tree anywhere in the whole world, the 5,000 years, 3,000 years older than Jesus Christ. What are good? Important things to note. Yeah, actually, it's the same. What I somebody may take it a note so that I cannot forget anyone. Number one is, let us remember the Igbo zonab. On a bunye jetuni, nebugonye jetuni. Because a bunye jetuni is that nebu say, he who comes to equity must come with clean hands. Meaning, you don't go to Alusi to go and report, or you don't go to OCC to go and report a crime you are guilty of. 1. 2. When you go to OCC or Alusi to go and report somebody, be mindful of the words you use. Do not say Owulu nama no katana che jo or poor jo or do guilty of anything I accuse Namukulu, including E.T. picture Papa Mado Ebo on a hospital bed where buy a saga where you know that no saga kiji ba. I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying, including knowing that in a live broadcast ni wopta kwa picture mamonya ni jikwa kwa papa na mama na family ebo saga that you have said all manner of things against this person. He who goes to equity must go with clean hands. A lot of people will tell we have to mado buluha. That is number one. Then number two, why say no one from now to next year? Manowolo Nibe Nande Burugifa Nine have for the 4 market days. Can you be a junior way from now to next year? Yeah? Nyendo gonna have 4 days, 4 market days. Now, Ogechi Okeke how to consider that I can never get married to Kogoni. If I do, let me Peme. What do you mean by Peme? Or let me buy. Next year and 4 years. It is not in equilibrium form. But nevertheless. Then another one is, why is it that one thing I have noticed now different divisions and the group of people when we go on Facebook, it seems like now everybody, excluding me, is looking for every opportunity for their opponent or for their enemy to die. Why is it that everybody is looking for a way for their opponents to buy? In fact, they have wished many of us to buy more than 100 times, and we are still living. Everybody seems to look for every opportunity to buy their opponents, their perceived enemies on Facebook. But they all frown when you go to the police to go and make a report. And I am asking you, between buying somebody, whether spiritually or otherwise, and going to the police to go and report, the police settle, which one is better? Police. Okay, also, and also, only blue Bible war preacher, walk intimidation. Walk intimidation. Hana Bugonuso is a people. Go. So that need the penalty. Need the penalty. But need the penalty. Na police. Gaha wolo number gono. Number 3. Number 4. everybody is innocent from their own point of view. Onye ọbụla ji ọfọ, onye ọbụla na-ekele bụ na oji ọfọ, mana ọfọ ma onye ji ya. Ma onye do wrong na asị na do right, onye do wrong na onye zi do right. Mpụ niile ahụ imelu do right. Ifere esegodo okwu na-emesiri nke na-afụgo iwe tutu emotional to the point that n'ishefuru ndị niile imekọtara mmadụ. Alusi na-egbukwa ụzọ na-abụ. Iyi na-egbukwa ụzọ na-abụ. He who goes to equity must go with clean hands. It doesn't look at your emotion. It looks at what you have done. Naanị ọlụ anyị ka a ga-eji wee cheta anyị. Aka onye ọbụla dọsha until mgbe emechara. Ife a na-etichi ndị mmadụ lesson na court of law. Ihe edewe ahụ na-ewu ọmacha ncha n'imeri ya oge ruo na court. Ndị lawyer gbanyere gị film. Ịghọta na nke ahụ ị na-akọ onwe nke ị na-akọrọ. Ịghọtago, you are just exonerating yourself. Ịghọtago, which doesn't represent the fact. Now, Owese, your favorite person may be my own worst kind of a person, and vice versa. Why do I say this? Kiwe man unya if you know now your role model may not be my own kind of person after all, and somebody with my own role model or somebody with my own best kind of person may not be your favorite. So knowing all this, why don't we respect our differences when it comes to our preference? I may like Mr. B, you may like Mr. C. Take for instance, I love Evangelist Ebukobi. You love Matthias. Evangelist Ebukobi is my kind of wonderful person. Matthias is your Jesus Christ of Africa. Have you seen? I won't like you to say something bad about Evangelist Ebukobi. You will not like me to say something bad about Matthias. So why can't you maintain your lane? Let me maintain your lane. If you must criticize Evangelist Ebukobi, I want you to give room for me to criticize Matthias. Are we clear now? Anything you will want me to say, you will feel happy when I say it about Matthias. Let that be what you will say about Evangelist Ebukobi. You want to go? He who goes to equity must go with clean hands. Now, everybody support their own person. You want to go? Even because they not support onyenke. So I ask, if you are supporting your own person, and I am supporting my own person, and my own person is paying me, I ask you, brother, who is paying you? It's a question. You are supporting your own kind of person at every given place where I am supporting somebody. You are supporting the opposite person. If my own person is paying me, I am asking you, who is paying you? I am machakono I will Allah. You know that go? Ana mokono ma daloche na na. No wo kono onye oshikwaturu. Odo no Sophia si no we ki yesi we shi oshikwaturu na na. Then onye sere mmadu abia na beye ushitekwonuru onu nya na nwanne yo esere mmadu abia na beye ikwushitekwonuru onu go na nwanne yo ịghọtago even ji wee na-ekwu ewu na onye sere m ekwu na maka ye gbakwadoro m na ọha ekwu maka mmadụ mana ị na-ekwu maka mmadụ especially ebe ị na-ekwu maka onye nke m mana esere m ekwu na maka yo na nkwuo maka yo na mmadụ ya anwụ na nkwuo maka yo na mmadụ ya anwụ mana ikwuo maka onye nke m onye nke ahụ asịghị na onye ji polisi kpọrọ ka ị bịa gbagha ife ahụ ikwuru ebawa mbasị na-enye intimidation ifro na ọdụhọ balanced. Now the last but not the least, the conclusion of all these things do unto others exactly what you will like others to do unto you. Ịghọtago? Emara ife ma na emeghe ya do mma emekwana ya onye ọzọ nke ịma na mmadụ meghe ọdụwụ mma mee na onye ọzọ ọ bụrụ na emeghie take a solace in the fact that na ife ahụ na mmadụ meghie that n'ihe take years ọ kwado nya awụ mechaka ife niile a ife na-esokwa n'okwu niile awụ na ife ịma na eme egwu na ọ ya adịghị mma na ịchọrọ ị na-eme ya onye ọzọ ka onye ọzọ na-emegono na-ebia ihe ọ dịrị ọnụ possible ịghọtago ponder na every single thing mkpụrụ here ị mara na ọnyawụ ife na-eso okwu n'ihu akwụkwọ. Nevertheless, we can criticize constructively, we can argue constructively, we can disagree with each other constructively, respecting people accordingly. The moment you disrespected somebody, you have indirectly disrespected yourself. Let me leave it here. If I were even from the visit to the oldest tree, 3,000 years older than Jesus Christ. The tallest and the oldest tree na Igbo. How do we go? Hey, Chineke.